Hi, this is Bob Jones. Welcome to my video on the Detroit River Truck Ferry, a ferry service that has transported cars and trucks across the Detroit River for over 100 years and will be shutting down later in 2023. The ferry is a flat, open, unpowered barge with a pilot house located on one end, towed by a tugboat. The ferry is the only legal border crossing for carrying hazardous materials and oversized cargo too big for the Ambassador Bridge. The closest crossing that allows hazardous materials is the Blue Water Bridge, connecting Sarnia and Port Huron approximately 103 miles away, a substantial detour. The closure will affect two mega projects in Windsor, the Stellantis LG EV battery plant and the Gordie Howe International Bridge. However, they say it will not affect completion dates. The new Gordie Howe Bridge will allow hazardous materials and oversized cargo, so the question, is the new Gordie Howe Bridge the reason the 100-year-old truck ferry is closing? Let me know in the comments. Please like and subscribe, it really does help the channel. Thank you for watching. This is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.